today's video, I'm going to make a window valance, like the one you see behind me. They're lightweight. You can custom to any window or any decor. This one I made probably 4 or 5 years ago. I've changed the material on it probably 3 or 4 times. It's lightweight. It's easy to hang. So come along with me as I work on this DIY project. The windows that I was going to make the valances for, one was 32 inches wide and the other was 73 inches wide. So what I did is sketch this out on a piece of paper, but after it was over, I went ahead and transferred it to my computer so that you could see the plans a little bit better. The base of the project is this foam insulation board that I got from Lowe's. It's about anywhere from $10 to $15 a sheet. Next, I just transferred my plan onto the foam board. It was pretty easy. I just took a pen and a ruler and was able to copy it over to the foam board. Then I took a box cutter and cut out the plan. For the little windows, instead of taking the time to draw and measure out both of the plans, I just flipped the valance over and copied it. After I had all the pieces cut out, I began to put the valance together. Duct tape works good for this part. For the corners, I made sure that they were supported well because that would be what would hold the weight of the valance on the wall. The arch for the larger window was kind of tricky. I started out by finding the middle and then gradually going at a decline to the ends, but it's all represented in my drawing. Before I covered the valance with material, I covered it with quilting batting. I held this in place with some adhesive. After cutting the batting to fit the valance, I just sprayed the adhesive and then pressed the quilting material on. The adhesive worked very well, but once it was in place, there was no moving the material. Now that all the pieces are covered with the batting, it was time to cover them with the material. I ordered this material online from Fabric Guru, but I can leave a link to the website below. So after cutting the material out to fit the valance, I just wrapped it as if I was wrapping a Christmas present. I held the fabric in place on the back with T-pins. You can get these from Amazon or any fabric store. I use the pins so that if I wanted to change out the material, I could very easily, and they hold well through the foam board. After completed, the valance is very lightweight and durable, as you can see here in the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video inspires you to do a DIY project of your own.